Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace this type of serpentine belt tensioner that is used on many Volkswagen, Seat, Skoda and Audi cars. Next I'll show you the location of the serpentine belt tensioner on the engine. It's located right there. In my case I've already removed the serpentine belt, but if you don't know how to remove the serpentine belt, I have a video on that. Here you can see that there is no bolts on this serpentine belt tensioner, so in order to remove it, there is a bolt on the back of the tensioner that we need to remove. To get access to the tensioner and the bolt behind it, we need to remove this air intake hose. We also need to remove this heat shield for the exhaust. The heat shield is held by 3 or 4 bolts that we need to remove, and then we take it out. And now we have access to the bolt holding the tensioner on the rear. The bolt is located just underneath the exhaust manifold, just above the oil filter. It's located right there in that hole. I'll try and show you a closer view, a better view of the bolt, but that's the bolt holding the tensioner right there. The one that I'm lighting with the light, that's the bolt. Before I start removing that bolt, first I need to remove one of this parasitic pulley that's just above the tensioner, so that I can take out the tensioner afterwards. This is the pulley that I need to remove. I've already loosened the bolt, just remove the bolt and take out the pulley. And now you can see that there's nothing in front of the tensioner, so once I remove that bolt on the back, then I can take out the tensioner. To remove the bolt for the tensioner, I'm using socket size 16 along with a long extension, couple of long extensions actually. This is the first long extension that I'm going to be using. And then I'm going to add some more extensions so that I can get to that bolt. You can see where I'm putting the extension through, just underneath the exhaust manifold and just over the oil filter. First I'll try and put my extension to that bolt, and then I'll put some more extensions afterwards. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now I'll put some more extensions. These are the 2 extensions that I'm going to be putting on. And now I'll show you a closer view of the whole socket and all the extensions. You can see the socket is into the bolt there. That's a big extension, and it's coming out like that and going into the ratchet. Next I'll try to loosen the bolt. Once the bolt gets loosened, I will remove a couple of the extensions, and then I'll just remove the bolt using one of the long extensions, and I'll turn it by hand. Now I remove the ratchet and couple of the extensions and I'll turn the rest of the extension to turn the bolt by hand. And with the other hand I'm going to hold the tensioner so that I can take it out when the bolt is removed. And that's the bolt removed, and that's the serpentine belt tensioner out. This on the rear of the tensioner is where the bolt gets screwed on. Assembling it is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.